How to make vegetarian
ก๋วยเตี๋ยวหลอดเจ
Thai Chinese vegetarian steamed rice noodle rolls. Subscribe to explore with BKKSF guide. Like and share this video. Plus comment below this video. Captions in this video will give you step-to-step instructions on how to make this dish. To make this dish first, you would have to create a filling. The first step when making the filling is to pound up some aromatics. Use a mortar and pestle to pound up the aromatics if you have one. Pounding the aromatics with salt will help to bring out the flavor. Make sure you pound up the aromatics until all the ingredients are all combined and crushed up. The salt will help mix up the aromatics fast. It's best to use coarse salt or any rock salt. Next, steam up some finely chopped mixed veggies of your choice. It is best to use crunchy veggies, the kind of veggies you will put inside a spring roll egg roll. Also add some firm chopped tofu or paneer with the veggies when steaming. This will be a protein replacement to your filling. Lastly, in a wok or pan stir-fry your pounded up aromatics in some hot oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Once you can smell the aromatics and it's slightly cooked, then add your steamed veggies and protein mixture. Stir-fry until the ingredients are combined. Taste to see if you need more salt. Transfer your cooked filling into a flat plate or wide bowl to cool. Get some freshly uncut cooked flat rice noodle sheets from your Asian grocery store or market. If you cannot find any, you can use the Vietnamese rice paper sheets that are slightly soaked in normal water till the sheets are a bit soft. If you cannot find any flat rice noodle sheets or paper sheets, make it at home. Follow the instructions in the captions of this video on how to make the rice noodle sheets at home. Don't forget to brush some oil on top of your rice noodle sheets when it comes out of the steamer to avoid the sheets from sticking. Follow the Hot Thai Kitchen YouTube channel and website on how to make the rice noodle sheets and for more yummy Thai food recipes. Flatten out your rice noodle sheet on a cutting board and cut it out to how big you want to make your rice noodle rolls. Then add as much filling as you like to the sheet, and roll it up like how you will roll up a spring roll, egg roll, or burrito. Delicately wrap your rice noodle rolls to avoid the rolls from tearing. Make sure your rice noodle sheets are thin. It will be easier for you to roll up the rice noodle rolls and also will help cook the rolls evenly. You should be able to see your filling once you roll up your rolls. This is how you will know your rice noodle sheets are thin enough. Place your noodle sheets in a flat plate, baking pan, or basket that fits your steamer or pan where you will be steaming your rolls in. If you're using a pan to steam your rolls, make sure you put a bowl below the pan before cooking the rolls. This will help avoid water to enter the rolls. Add enough water when steaming your rolls to avoid the pan or steamer to burn. Plus, let the water boil with the lid shut to create a steam before you steam your rolls. Make sure the lid of your steamer or pan is tightly shut when cooking your rolls. This will help evenly cook your rolls. Create some garnishes while your noodle rolls are steaming, like some fried up dried soya nuggets, a dipping sauce, and other garnishes mentioned in the caption of this video. To help enhance your noodle rolls, fry up some finely chopped garlic and oil to add on top of the rolls. Store the fried garlic with the oil in a bottle. This fried garlic with oil enhances any dishes you want to make garlicky. Also, goes well with bread. Also, add some steamed or blanched bean sprouts on top of your rice rolls. This will add a fresh touch to your rolls. If you cannot find any bean sprouts, you can grow it at home using mung beans. Follow the captions in this video on how to grow bean sprouts at home. Pour as much of the dipping sauce as you want to add flavor to your noodle rolls. This is how your noodle rolls should look. Enjoy this dish with chopsticks or a fork and spoon. This is a Thai Chinese dim sum dish. Try making this dish and comment below on your reviews for this dish and how it turned out. Do not forget to subscribe to Explore with BKKSF Guide for more recipe, food, travel, Bangkok, and cultural videos. Thank you for watching this video.